We've all seen it. Groups of men and women gallivanting about in beer commercials. Did you ever notice how beer companies would rather show you sexy images than anyone actually enjoying their product? The rules state you're not allowed to drink in commercials. I think it's just that no one wants to drink their beer. Not at Big Rock. Nope. We have pride in our product. And we tend to have a little more class. Here's a good-looking group of young folk having a rockin' good time. Hey, how's it going? There's nothing like the cold, crisp, refreshing flavor. Marty. You're fired. Hey, how about a coaster?